SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off low power mode on iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If your iPhone is currently in low power mode, as indicated by this yellow battery icon at the top right corner of the screen, then you can turn it off by changing an option in the settings menu. You can do this by opening settings. You can then scroll down and select the battery option from this menu, and then you just need to tap the button to the right of low power mode to turn it off. If you're going to be using low power mode a lot, then you may also want to add the control center low power mode button as well. You can do this by going back to the main settings menu, and then you can select the control center option. Then you just need to scroll down to the more control section, and then you can tap the button to the left of low power mode to add it to the top section. Now if you open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen, you're going to see that there is now a low power mode button at the bottom of the control center, which is indicated by this battery icon. If you tap that, then it's going to enable low power mode, and if you tap that again, it's going to turn off low power mode.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.